Aloha and welcome to my house. I'm your host, your fearless leader, Natalie Michelle Watson. You're being filmed by my dear friend, Michelle Jani, who you can turn the camera around on yourself if you want. Oh, woohoo! Oh, yeah, girl. Okay, so come in. This is my studio, and this is the cleanest that I think it's ever been, like, pretty sure. So anyway, you picked a good day to come over. I didn't spend 16 hours cleaning before this or anything, so. All right, so I'll just take you through a few of these things that I have around the place. So as you can see, this is my giant purple lavender pegboard thing. And these are some of my products and some of the things that inspire me, like my toys, usually like my 80s and 90s type toys. That's Monchichi. That's probably my favorite face. I love the face. Oh, that's my cat, Pablo. He's a bit of a jerk, but he's being cute today. Anyway, so we have my cards, which are full of honey goodness and very reflective here. My beautiful monitor, which I didn't know what to have on the screen, so I just thought, why not have a beautiful picture of myself? This is my various assortment of cords and my heater, because I'm a cold little girl. This is my Silhouette, Camo Silhouette 3, which, to be honest, I've never worked out how to use. I've had it for about a year and a half now, and Gavin tried to use it once. It was hilarious. We were trying to cut out the stickers that we made for our wedding. This is The Love Bunny by Jeremyville, a fellow Australian illustrator, so basically my peer, even though he's much more successful than me. But just give me a few years and I'll prove you wrong, okay? Various fruits, because even though I'm fructose intolerant and don't really eat fruit, I really like how fruit looks. This set of shelves here we found on Gumtree, and the guy that we bought it from was like really strange. He was like a middle-aged man and his name was Tony. His housemate was like a fellow middle-aged man who had like a headlamp on the top of his head, and Gavin was like, "Hey mate," and he said nothing. He just walked past. The Tiny Tats machine, if you're keen on little tattoos on your face or anywhere else on your body for that matter. This usually works, and by usually I mean like it does work, but neither Michelle nor I have $1 on us right now to show you how it works. So you'll just have to come and see me at an event where I've got the machine to find out for yourself. Woo! This neon sign was my birthday present from my mum. It's by Electric Confetti, and maybe one day I'll have a custom sign done. We're gonna leave the sign on. This is Regina, my register. She's broken right now, but she usually speaks 3 languages. She's got English, Spanish, and French options, so she's much more cultured than I am. We're broke, as you can see. This thing usually lights up, and you can actually use the microphone here as well. But yeah, the battery kind of blew in the back, and Gavin fixed it, except it's come loose again. So anyway, she's from America, so she's foreign, she's sexy.
Got this little ceramic guy.
That's by my friend Peggy, aka Peachy. She's pretty cool. But anyway, it's supposed to be a vase, but I just like it.
I like it too. It's super cute.
Yeah, it's a little doggy friend. Oh, this is my very special Polly Pocket. It was a gift from one of my old high school friends. I found it on eBay for $300, and I posted it on Facebook saying, "Can someone please buy this for me?" And she bought it for me. This is the matriarch of the gang. She's a bit wonky, just like a real mum. But yeah, like 80s and 90s birthday party aesthetic is like my favorite aesthetic of all time. My pencil sharpener.
Oh my god, yes!
This guy's really cool, and if you like to sharpen pencils, I definitely recommend getting one of these. It's by Uni Palette from Japan, and it's a bit dusty, but anyway, you open its little ears like that, and then you grab a pencil. You can set it to be like sharp or blunt, so we'll go with, I think that's sharp. There we go. think it's gone, yep. And then you pull it out. Whoa!
Whoa,
Look at that
sharpness.
baby. Woo! I drew them. They were inspired by my engagement ring, which I haven't worn in a while because it's a massive diamond. But anyway, but it's flower shaped, and so I wanted to do flowers.
What do you stick it on?
I don't know. What would you like to stick it on?
That's it. There we go.
That's probably not on brand.
Let's think wholesome.
Wholesome, family fun. All right, we're going with a caboodle because what's more family fun than a caboodle? Hi, I'm an artist. Oh yes, got the red lip. Oh, hello, my name is Pablo. I'm actually a jerk. Bye. These are my muck books, I call them. And apart from like 3 new ones, these are all full to the brim with ideas because I'm an ideas person, okay? That's me. I don't know how much of this I can show you because it's all top secret. Okay, here's when I was doing the cards. Oh, that was my stand that we built for home cooked, which worked out really well, except like it cost me pretty much, like I made as much money as it cost me to make the stand. So, whoops. But I like to do things well, you know? I'm extra. I do everything with as much gusto as I got. This is my little box of treasures. Do you remember these? Yeah, so these have more like 80s and 90s toys in them. So I've got like Kelly. These are Mimi and the Goo Goos. These are really rare. All right, so they are basically kind of like Polly Pocket, but it's a little baby. Now I know that a lot of you millennials out there don't like babies, but I mean, they're kind of cute. Just like fruit, how I don't eat them, but I can still appreciate it aesthetically. I feel that towards these particular babies and probably my own babies one day. So I hope that you enjoyed my studio tour today with Michelle and Pablo, my co-hosts. Yeah, so I hope that you have a fantastic day and that your life is now at least 20% more fun because of me. Okay, bye.